Once you are formally charged with a crime, you enter a phase of the case called the discovery process. Discovery is the exchange of evidence between the prosecution and the defense, and it works quite differently in the state courts and the federal courts. In the state courts, particularly in the state of Florida where I practice, we have very liberal open discovery rules. When the prosecution files a criminal charge against someone, they have to provide that individual with a list of all of the witnesses who are going to be testifying against them and may have information about the case. This includes police officers, witnesses, and other individuals who may have participated in the crime that are participating with the government. You also are allowed to get every police report in the case, every document that has ever been created during the law enforcement investigation of the case, and the evidence that the prosecution intends to introduce in a trial of the case. Now, evidence can come in the form of things like photographs, firearms, lineups, and things like that. In the federal system, things are slightly different. In federal court, discovery does not permit a disclosure of the government's witnesses who are going to be testifying in court. Additionally, you're not entitled to every police report that has been created in a case. Now, you may get some police reports, and they may be complete, or they may be edited to prevent you from reading certain things that have to do with ongoing investigations or other sensitive information. In both situations, if the defense intends to introduce evidence of their own, they of course have to likewise disclose that to the prosecution. You're supposed to be on equal footing, but the truth of the matter is that it requires the skills of an experienced, creative defense attorney working in conjunction with their client and a skilled private investigator to develop facts that may not be known to the government, whether it's state or federal, and prepare a defense which would be successful in a court of law. The discovery phase is one of the most important phases that there is in the defense of a criminal case. Be sure that you participate with your attorney and provide them with all of the information you possibly can, because it will only serve to give you the best possible defense that you can receive.